Stay sharp.
Why don't you upgrade your plasma striker?
That's pretty cool. Sure, I can't afford it.
Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. That's how you make a great weapon even better. Locked and loaded.
Who is this guy?
So, which planet are we destroying today?
This one!
This planet belongs? Yes!
I ain't playing around anymore.
I'm coming back around for another pass.
Planet belongs to...
It's the Lombax! Sound the alarm!
My. If you wanted to come aboard the
kind of sniper
Deplanetizer, there were much simpler ways of doing it. It's a shame your visit will be a short one.
What kind of sniper rifle can't shoot far distances? You know? What was blocking my shot? There's no glass. Is that glass? Oh, it's plastic. Okay, makes sense. Don't have to talk shit. Get your ass in behind that glass.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. I shall let you live and live. Psych, Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Turn them to smoked sausages. Get out of here, stupid dog. Drop that gun, dude. You are not worthy.
Oh, great. More of them. Uh-oh. Looks like a new kind of warlock.
Fucking parade. Always the bullet award goes to this.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Attention, Strike Team 7. It appears you were not aware that I, your boss, have a camera on the Deck 3 break room. Why you think you can sit around playing cards while the others go after Ratchet and Clank boggles the mind. Get out there before I have to eject you into space myself!
Back up, dude. This is bananas.
Oh, Mac, you're so predictable.
Got all of them? There's more of them coming out next This stupid guy. Oh, there's no clank. So I can't just jump.
Maybe there's a trespasser terminal around here.
How the heck?
Okay, doors open.
Ratchet,
Alrighty.
have you located Captain Cork?
Not yet.
That's not.
Hope he's okay.
Hope he's
Just
fucking
keep looking.
dead.
He's got to be on the ship
Fuck
somewhere.
Captain Cord. He's a piece of crap. That's one time.
Deplanetizer firing coordinates locked. Target, Novalis.
No, don't do it!
Sector full. All units, converge and eliminate at all costs.
Destroy these computers! How am I missing this video? I know these bullets are slow, but this shouldn't take that long. Back up, back up! We're so close.
Deplanetizer power levels at 50%.
See? Nothing to it.
Is that all of them? All by himself. He's doing this all by himself. He's not fair. What they say they were doing again?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Is it true, Cora Perilla? Novalis? Oh, this is just too good. Not only do I get a choice piece of planet for new quarters, I get to destroy Galactic Ranger's home? Talk about a win-win!
Hello.
Walking out of here. They'll be back. I see him.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
What the hell is this guy's problem?
Deplanetizer power levels at 75%.
Why do y'all keep fighting me? Just let me have what I want. How do I get up there?
Ratchet, how are you doing in there?
Oh,
Lots of resistance. But I'm okay.
very
So you
optimistic.
made it to my arms. Good for you. But your little adventure will soon be over.
You already know a hell of robots about to come through this door right here.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Ooh, rare titanium. Rare titanium. auto hack.
After I've built us a new home world, I'll make another. And another. Can you imagine? Dozens of Blarg-owned planets forged not by nature, but by my company. We'll create an entire empire using your galaxy's wasted planets. I suppose this will leave any of your citizens home-absorbed relatives dead. But sacrifices must be made.
Man, does Drek ever stop talking?
No, he doesn't. He will stop living. What was that? Man, they just busted through the glass.
Dead! And bring me the defense! I'll have a recycle into something useful, like a table, or one of those white noise machines you fall asleep.
Come on, get knocked out like a nickel.
Need some nanotech.
Fucking dogs! You're killing me.
More warbots.
Mr. Zurkon.
I want that Lombax dead! And bring me the defense! I'll have a recycle, like a table, or one of those white noise machines you fall asleep.
You thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zurkon.
Going down, Lombax!
Mr. Zurkon delivers that
They're trying to overwhelm me. This is crazy.
Deplanetizer power levels at 95%.
Come on, we're almost to the bridge.
Check out my inventory. I got the best
Hey,
deals in
Global
the
Doom.
galaxy.
Should I even waste my money on that?
Probably. Good choice. Oh, wicked. Now you're almost too powerful.
For the first time, Ratchet had more weapons than he knew what to do with.
Oh shit, I forgot all about that. Oh!
He's headed for the Starcracker terminal. Stop him at once!
Holy cow, that's a lot of tanks.
All about their wake up. Come on, man. Give me a break. That should go so far. whole game has just turned into explosions. That's all it is, just some big ass explosions all the time. This guy has too much money, bro.
Large reinforcements.
One!
The planetizer fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drac.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Just letting near that Starcracker terminal.
Major Zircon lives only to kill.
Oh boy.
Nope. I feel like I'm a broken record here.
Enemy down.
Oh, look at these things.
You must be
Keep him away from the Starcracker chamber.
The door to the bridge is open.
Yay, enough tanks already.
Never mind. That's right. Dance it up, you fools.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Yeah, you got it. He'll do it for you.
Nicely done. You should be able to access the Starcracker room and shut down the deplanetizer.
Oh fuck, a fight. I know it's about to be a fight.
Planetizer now online.
Bravo, my boy! Bravo! I deal with my share of morons on a daily basis, but this is seriously next level. I never had a proper planet. I spent my formative years underground, where everything was dark and wet and hot.
And I was like, warrior? No, I said I was a worrier. I worry about everything. Oh, hey! Quark? This is awkward.
I want him to live to see his
Look at that
failure.
son of a mother!
Monetization!
No!
That's crazy, bro. It's
Well,
actually
here's your
blown
ID.
up.
Welcome aboard. Captain.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. The Navalians were able to evacuate in time, but
No, they
billions
weren't.
lost their homes.
You helped Drek destroy a planet because you were jealous of Ratchet? Oh, that's cold, even for me.
Not my coolest moment, okay? I was confused.
Bro, they did not get off
I
of
thought
there.
I was doing
Don't
the best thing
lie.
for the galaxy.
Hey, you were doing the best thing for you.
Nobody asked you, solitary Bill.
Then what happened? In the Hollow film, Ratchet ended up drifting in deep space for like weeks until he finally managed to assemble a gravity drive using an old ham radio and a banana.
Never happened. In reality, he just went home.
Feel
In the wake of Novellis' destruction and Captain Quark's shocking betrayal, Galactic President Phyronix has issued a galaxy-wide alert to all Solana citizens.
I'm not going back, Clank. This is where I belong. You were right. Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for causing a complete disaster.
It was not a complete disaster.
Authorities are calling it a complete and utter disaster.
The evacuation of Novellis was successful. No one was killed or injured.
But those people lost their homes. And for that, I have to take full responsibility.
Blaming yourself and taking responsibility are two very different things. If you truly want to be accountable, you will endeavor to make things right the next time.
Next time?
Drek has one more target on his list. With Captain Quark now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in any way possible. Partner.
Well, partner, how about helping me find my proto-suit?
It's good to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Yolaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious' files from Trek Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solana celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Drek. He wants the system destroyed under the Rangers' watch.
I have a plan to destroy the deplanetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Kalibo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
Maybe we can get one.
In order to defeat Chairman Drek, the duo needed something that was only found on Kalibo, a Gadgetron hologuard.
It appears the Blarg have invaded this sector. They must be after the Gadgetron weapon stockpile.
Attention Gadgetron employees! We are currently in the midst of a major security breach at our factory. All non-essential personnel are to vacate the building immediately while we wait for the authorities.
Incoming dropship.
How did I know that they were all here now? Oh shit!
That vendor might have some new weapons.
I believe those gears control the bridge.
Well, let's see if we can get them moving.
Good work, Ratchet. The thruster pack is quite a heavy device.
One employee has asked if our healthcare plan covers injuries sustained during the assault. The answer is...
Look at that rail.
Maybe.
Wonder where it leads.
We're not letting you out of here alive!
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Death trial?
warmongers testing area. Our stockpile must not fall into bomb hands.
Chairman's breath! This is the plasma striker! Come on, guys! Down. Ouch! That one hurt.
Volunteer detected in Pyrometer room. Prepare for annihilation.
Sit down. Sit down. I don't think I've said anything this entire time. Sit down. This is crazy. I'm just being quick to this.
Test complete.
We must stop the Blarg from stealing weapons and gadgets.
Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? So lame. Oh, that's so lame.
Give up, Wombat! You ain't gonna win!
Look at those gears. We should be able to rotate this room.
Oh, gotta rotate this one.
I got all fully loaded.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Some bad news, Dr. Gray. It looks like our attempt to call the authorities has been met with technical difficulty. I said so. Installation does not involve unplugging and re-plugging the device. Help us to do anything about it.
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Come on, now. What's in here?
Well, should be easy to bleep these guys.
Oh, Ratchet.
Mr. Zircon is full.
Ratchet's the fucking king of cotton. Don't you ever forget it.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Oh boy.
You look like
There's just so much going on, dude.
Oh dear. More
Son of a bitch!
Oh dear. More of them.
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
was past that. It pulled me back into it. Like, come on, bro. Why y'all playing lane like this?
Mr. Zircon is here. You are the disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure.
Tell him, Zircon. Tell him how much of a fucking disease they are.
No one warned you about Mr.
Oh dear, more of them.
That's it, the last of Mr. Zircon. One little dead little aliens. My little dead little aliens. Mr. Zircon equals die, die, die.
No, y'all not cheating at all. You know, this is completely, you know, fair.
You look like you could do with a
And everything.
I shall let you live. Sorry, Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Are you gonna attack them, or are you just gonna sit here and go through all your catchphrases? Every fucking bomb, dude? That is so bad.
Come find me when you want to upgrade a weapon. I'm ready.
Enemy down.
Sorry, Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Strong ass warship.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Always the good stuff. Yes!
Okay, that's the last of the Blarg.
Volunteer detected in Fluffy Bunny Room. Prepare to play with adorable bunny rabbits.
That doesn't sound so bad.
These are not bunny rabbits.
Correction. The Fluffy Bunny Room has been relocated to Sector 12, initiating death and dismemberment protocol.
Of course.
I knew it! These were the same damn robots that was in the tiki bar. And they're just out to get me. They don't care anything about me. Whoa! Dude, come on, bro. Like... That guy crazy. There's tons of these dudes. Look, you got all these guys. You about to use it. How many swarms of these things are there?
Test complete. Thank you for participating in the Gadgetron weapon test. Your 10% off coupon will be mailed to your home address within 5 to 7 years.
Damn.
I don't believe it! Ratchet and Clank here at Gadgetron! The name's Wendell Lumos. I'm the CEO of this fine company.
Huge fan of your weapons, Mr. Loomis. Listen, Clank and I are on a mission to save the galaxy, and we need one of your holo guises.
I'm afraid we're out of that product. Those darn blarg have been raiding our stockpiles. Minor security issue, certainly nothing to make public. We still have the prototype, but it's now a prize in our hoverboard competition.
Are you still accepting new competitors?
Of course, but as you can see, we're having a little bit of a flood problem. The blarg bombed our dam this morning. I don't suppose you have a hydro displacer, do you?
You know what? Fuck you. I'm going in. There's a war going on. This nigga talking about some damn. Man. I was better off at home.